Oh, there you are, YouTube. We're back at the Arboretum today. Been a while since we've been there. Our friend Tracy's with us today. Come on, let's go. Do you see that squirrel over there? It's over there. Hey, look at my finger. Look where I'm pointing. Or not. Look at those perfect clouds. It's like Andy's bedroom wallpaper from Toy Story. What do you think of the pond? Pretty bright to look at, isn't it? I'm talking to one of my kids, that's why I'm kind of using a kid voice there. Look at that.
Those are geese, they say honk, honk, honk.
Whoa, there's even some back there.
Look.
Wow. We hit the jackpot.
They're eating the grass.
The only time geese are cool is if you're showing a child.
Right? Look at them.
They're the reason we have to watch where we step.
Yeah, there's so many. I think they were all sleeping under that tree there.
Yeah. See that willow? Willow tree?
Look, they're walking in a line. Look at them.
Quack, quack, quack. Whoa, look at them go.
Whoa.
Where are they all? Are they all back behind there?
Yeah.
Like we want a shady spot.
Look at them all. Whoa.
You see them? Look, they're
So
all
many.
They're laying down in the grass. Say hi, duckies. We'll work on the fact that they're geese later.
Right.
I was reading about them the other day.
Using that as a drum?
I don't know. I think it's just roots that grow because I think they're like really. Wow, look at that big rock. They like swamps in like Louisiana, and I think these just come up to get more water. I don't know. Did you guys like this little stump?
I really like the trunk.
Yeah, me too.
Looks like a brontosaurus foot.
Yeah.
Pat, 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 pat.
That's a tree stump. It
Ooh.
used to be a tree.
Now it's a drum for you.
Yeah.
First worm encounter. And they're already over it. He just crawled out of that little hole. Maybe to die. Oh, there he goes.
Wow, you're up in a tree.
What is it, babe? You want to get up in the tree? We got some pad thai going. Actually, it's finished, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just gonna plate it. And there it is. I should probably clean the rim a little bit. Looks good. Dots of sriracha for hers, and for mine, a ring of sriracha. Whoops, that's how I like to go. Nailed it. This room is bright. Okay, so that pad thai we made was pretty good, but the noodles, the way they had us make them basically resulted in the noodles being, you know how like, what is it called, al dente, where they're a little firm in the middle. This was like over al dente, like they were undercooked basically. But we know for next time, if they tell us to make the noodles that way, just to do it the way we know how to do it, because either we did something wrong there. I don't think we did, because we followed the directions, but we will probably go the way we normally go. Also, we finished True Detective. Just finished it maybe 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. It is very good, very creepy. I highly recommend it. I mean, here's the interesting thing. A lot of times when it comes to movies, you know, here's like a generic saying people will have: I really like the movie until they put a love story in it. You know, it's kind of like a generic thing you hear people say a lot. And I kind of agree with that in certain instances. Sometimes if a movie is about someone's job, when we get into their personal life, I don't care about it as much. You know, like Law and Order, when you're watching those shows, you know, you kind of just want to see them working. But then when it gets on their personal life, it's like, I don't care about this as much. I feel like this show, True Detective, is an example where I think the people on the job, when the characters are on the job, it's awesome, you know, which is, you know, what I'm there to watch. But also their personal lives are very interesting, extremely captivating. Like you're there watching. It's just as equally interesting as everything that's going on with the job. So I thought that was cool. It was a great balance. One didn't overpower the other, and they were both equally interesting. So that is a positive. I mean, I only have good things to say about the show. We're probably going to start the second season, which I hear is not as good. So I don't know. I don't know if we're going to start it right away. I don't know. We could. Who knows? We have a lot of time. Quarantine, right? So yeah, I think that's probably what's next on our agenda, is to watch season 2, the maybe not so good season 2. But I guess we'll be the judge of that on our own. You know, we want to watch it, find out, see if it's as good as the first one, because we do know we really like the first season. Anyway, I think I'm going to edit this, then post it, hopefully. And I know I had a video, what was it, 2 days ago. Man, I don't know. For some reason, it just wouldn't upload until morning. So, I don't know. Hoping that doesn't happen today, because it's pretty late, or tonight. But, I don't know. Maybe this will be up by 1, 2 in the morning, something like that. Anyway, maybe I'll see you tomorrow for more Pure Hangout.